I'm Aliyy. This is an excerpt from my short novel that I'm working on. The line shuffles forward once the heavy doors have been opened. I can feel the first touch of the English air like a burn on my cheek. It's been so long. I feel lightheaded the closer I get to the exit. The smells are like 1,000 nights out, 1,000 morning walks. I feel spun out of here, thrust into time, but I can't stop. The line in front of me keeps moving, heading into the machine, driving ahead towards some type of freedom. I pass out while waiting for the line to move. We're in the airport now and holding our landing cards between the fingers of our passports, sticking out like little flags. Pick me, pick me. But we've all already been picked for this part of the journey. We have all passed through the filter into the society. Everyone in this line is like me, good enough to be here, ready to prove that they can stay. We are institutionalized into our ordinariness. Everything wild has been drained out of us. Anything strange has been declared and removed. We are standing because we were told to stand. We are waiting because we were told to wait. We will give our information to a stranger because we were told to. We are all the predictions of an empire. I have wrapped up all my edges in cloth. My rebellion, my anger, my magic. Institutionalized into becoming the prediction, fulfilling the prophecy, I have shed my unknown. I wake up in a stranger's arms, pushed back into a standing position so that no one notices I fell. My head spins and aches. This place is dry like a desert. Paperwork is unbelievably light. It floats, it flies, it barely sinks. Somehow, though, my heart is pounding in my chest under the weight of it. I can't see anything else ahead of me. Just bodies and bodies of people, like me, standing in line, walking forward slowly. Some of us falling down along the way, watching people get pulled aside, turned away, moving continuously and endlessly. I think I might be sick, but I hold it in. This is the cleanest place I've ever been in. When it's finally my turn, I stand on my tiptoes to reach the deposit box comfortably where I drop my passport. Cold air holds my empty hand. I've got a woman in a bulky officer's uniform. She looks ready to fight me, with a vest on, prepared to take bullets from my gun or shield herself from the hand grenade in my pocket. I could let the whole thing explode. She would burst into tiny pieces, and I would too. We'd all fly for a moment and rain down in a red parade. No vests to hold us together. No more passports passing between our hands. Just blood leaking into blood. She glances down at me to compare my face to my picture. I pull my mask down to show my lips and chin. She tells me to put it back on. Like being naked for one quick second, I feel dressed when I do. Postures are straight, all the way down the line behind me as I cross over. Some little children play on the floor. They don't know that they are growing up here, in this room, in this line. They will be here forever, trying to get to the other side, waiting, not sure sometimes what is on the other side. Home, empire, future, past.